You make money. You pay your bills. You try to save when you can. So why does it feel like you're never getting ahead? You're not lazy. You're not bad with money. You're doing everything you're supposed to do. But it feels like you're on a financial treadmill, running every single month, exhausted, and somehow still in the same place. Here's the problem. You have motion but no direction, activity but no destination. You're reacting to bills instead of building towards something. Every paycheck comes in, gets divided up, and disappears. Then you do it all over again. Without a clear goal and a clear path, you'll always feel stuck, no matter how hard you work. The fix isn't working harder, it's getting clarity on where you're actually going. The Finance Reset Toolkit gives you that clarity. You set real goals, a savings target, a debt payoff date, a runway number. Then you see the exact path to get there. When you know where you're going, every dollar has a purpose. You stop reacting and start building. You see progress, real progress. Not just surviving the month, but actually moving forward. Want to be debt-free in 2 years? Set it. The toolkit shows you what it takes. Want a 6-month emergency fund? Set it. Watch the path appear. You're not stuck because you're bad with money. You're stuck because no one gave you a map. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop running in place. Start moving forward. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.